The standard panel size is 2 feet by 2 feet. One side has slat wall and the other side has a smooth surface. We are also going to be using 1 foot wide by 2 feet high panels. These panels add more function and design elements to your display. Your display may or may not include these 1 foot panels based on the display system you ordered. Prior to setting up the display, separate the connectors by size and style. Most of the connectors are easy to distinguish. The end and top connector look similar, but if you look closely, you can see the difference between the two. Now that the connectors are sorted, it's time to start building. We are going to make the bottom row the smooth wall, but you can make the entire display slat wall if you prefer. The first step is where most people make a mistake when setting up the display. When you first start building the display, you must be sure to use the full-size connectors at the bottom of the display. Begin on the left side. Take two 2 foot by 2 foot panels. On the first panel, attach an end finishing connector to the bottom left side of the panel and a full hinge connector to the bottom right side of the panel. Now, add the next panel into the full hinge connector. Add a full hinge connector to connect and secure the two panels. Continue adding panels along the first row according to our display design. Continue the building process until you get to the end of the wall. Here, you will add an end finishing connector. Notice there will be a 1-inch gap between the first row of the display and the floor. If your display is sitting flat on the floor, you have used the wrong connectors to build your display. Because you cannot move the display after it is built, now is a good time to check your wall angles to be sure the angles are correct. You can do this with the naked eye, or you can use a tape measure. Now you can start building the second row of panels. This row of panels will be slat wall. Add the third and fourth rows of panels. Now add the top connectors using the top finishing, top hinge, and top corner connectors. Your display is all set up. Just add your signs, lights, shelves,